What you see here is a 2016 Beta 430RR that I swapped the front fork to WP48 xplor fork. Just wanted to make a video because I couldn't find it before I did and I wasn't sure it's gonna work. So the reason I did is because I like the bike, I like the frame. I'm 5'10", so I like the low bike and I like the engine. The only thing I didn't like was the suspension. And I have another bike, is a Husqvarna 2018 TE300, which I love the fork over there. So I found a new fork for $700 new. And then what I had to do, I bought a new KTM 2017 triple clamp, and then I had to change only the stem. The stem in the original fork is the same diameter, just a different length. So I had to use the bottom. I have to remove the stem on a press machine and install it on the KTM triple clamp, on the bottom triple clamp, and I had to use the top original triple clamp. The KTM didn't work on the top. The only difference in the stem is just a little bit longer. The Beta is just like a 5/8 inch longer. So after that, what I had to buy is a new front fender. I bought new 4 guards, which is the wraparound, and I had to buy a new axle, front axle, and I can use the original wheel. I just had to buy 2 spacers, new spacer, where they fit on the original wheel, so it was not expensive to do. So in total I only spent like $900 in everything, so it was a good swap because I could never get the original fork to work like I like, and now I love this fork. It's very soft, very smooth. I love this fork much better, so if somebody want to try to do it, it's not a hard thing to do.